Should you always provide the facility to sort someone's domain and hosting and connecting their emails for free or part of their maintenance package? I tend to say no. So if I'm building a website, you have your build the website cost. You might have separate costs for SEO or for some page speed performance or something like that. But if I'm also required to now connect the domain to the hosting and set up their email and their email forwarding and test it out, then there is an additional charge for that. Why? Because you might think it's a 5-minute job, but what if it turns into a 3-hour job because there's an issue with the domain or the hosting or the email? Remember, value your time.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?